There is nothing as priceless as a beautiful smile. It gives a lasting impression and makes the atmosphere around you open and receptive. Not to mention the extreme confidence it gives you among people. A beautiful smile is priceless. It's never too early to start preserving a smile, especially in children. Beginning good habits early will last. If you have been avoiding the problem, say today is the day. Call for your appointment. Maintaining good oral hygiene is critical to your overall health. It can also help you to avoid making dental treatments more expensive down the road. Keep your teeth healthy and cavity-free with dental cleanings and preventative care. Make your appointment today. Call today. 219-370-6425 for all your dental needs. Let us help you maintain the beautiful smile for the world to see.